This car has a brand new tune in it.
What's going on, JR Garage? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to C300 Part 5, the free car giveaways. C300, somebody will be winning that car in a matter of a few weeks or something like that. Christian has that final piece, the carbon fiber lip that needs to go on the car, and we just got word that Kaizen Collision has a spot open ready to take on the C300, fix those few little cosmetic issues. As you can see, a little chip in the bumper there. Same with the front end, and there's one dent on the door. So they're gonna take care of that to get this car cosmetically perfect. Everything will be dialed in, and then we'll be ready to give it away to a viewer. One of you guys will randomly win this car for free.
This car has a brand new tune in it, and I can't wait to hear.
Oh snap, that's right. Christian and I, well, mainly Christian, but it was super easy. I could have done it for Pete's sake. We put in the new Project A tuning, shipped off the stock ECU to him. How easy was it? The whole process.
I was surprised how easy it was. I got it done with time to spare. Take off the air box, the ECU is sitting right there. Unplug it, ship it off. They mailed it back. We had it back in a few days.
Should help a little bit with sound. Maybe get some pops and crackles. And no, like the Maserati here is not one of the new cars. We've had this for a few months. We actually sold our Coupe MC to AJ, the car review guys, and then we replaced it with this convertible that was too good of a deal to pass up.
It's been a great car, but what are the odds? Just like our Ferrari 458, this car as well got backed into in the front right area.
Oh my goodness, there you go. There's a huge scuff there. This got kind of pushed in, and there's like a crack down here in the bumper. Like, come on! Within a matter of a month, we have our Ferrari backed into and now the Maserati, but we're gonna have to get these two out of the way. So let's get two cold starts of two V8s. We've got the NA 4.7 liter V8 and then twin turbo 3.8 liter V8. Comment down below which one you like better. All right, now time for the cold start with our C63 300. Just kidding. By the way, that other car halfway covered under the cover, no, that's not one of the 4 cars either, but yeah, we still have to reveal that to you guys. So like, that'll be in a future video. So anyway, oh yeah. Oh, it's been a while since we've done a C300 video, but the wait is over. Ooh, baby. Here we go. Let's have Christian get it from the outside. Here you go.
All right, ice cold start with the
Did you just say ice cold? Bruh. It's 108 degrees outside.
Good point. The water temperature is already registering on the gauges before it even starts. But muffler delete, resonator delete, X-pipe, quad C63 tips, and Project A tune. That's that little difference right there, even at idle. What?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, hop on in. New and improved tune. Those pops and crackles were insane. I know the car was cold. Don't worry, that was a small rev. I wasn't pushing it too hard.
Have we ever owned a car like that?
I didn't.
Makes this kind of noise?
I mean, out of a V6, I wasn't anticipating too much, but that's pretty impressive for a little, not even full exhaust, just like a little partial straight piping. Very affordable. I mean, you guys saw the tuner's Instagram there. I mean, hit a DM if you guys want a tune. They were pushing us. They're like, yo guys, go fully catless and we'll make this thing spit the biggest flames. And we're like, tempting, but no, just we're giving away the car. So if somebody has emissions, obviously they'd be screwed because they wouldn't be able to pass and get the car registered. So we have to keep it kind of realistic. You guys love the balance. It wasn't too loud, but it was still a nice step up. So I think we hit it right, the nail on the head. And now with the tune,
and that was thanks to some of your help. Better. You guys made the suggestions.
You guys are helping us, and now we're gonna help one of you all by getting a free car. Like we said, we just want the car mechanically and cosmetically sorted.
And many of you all, because there's more prizes than just the free car giveaway.
That's true. Follow the Instagram page if you're not already. Follow the real one. There's a fake one going out there, so make sure you spell it correctly. It's definitely gonna be sad to see this car go because it's just such a good car in every aspect. Like, it's 106 degrees outside. The AC's blowing nice and cold, and everything's so nice. The new shift boot and all the leathers, and so yeah, it'll be hard to see this one go. I mean, like the Boxster, that was a really nice car too. But 2020, year of the free cars, like we said. So we're gonna make it happen. So okay, it feels pretty normal. Oh, we're already getting pops, and I'm just like,
it's just on a simple upshift.
That's with windows up, you can still kind of hear them. But let's see if it does it on like when you let off. Oh, yep, there they are again. Definitely gonna get a rear mounted GoPro view so you guys can hear it, because I know the windows are up. I hope you guys can hear it on the know everyone says like, oh, NA tuned, it's so much faster. This is actually a little quicker. The butt dyno doesn't lie. It is a little quicker. You're not gonna see some crazy power pickup off an NA V6 tune. You're gonna get like sound, throttle response, which I already feel. Definitely touchier, just the throttle response is definitely improved over stock. And then already just a little bit of power, a little bit of low end, and in conjunction with the exhaust that we did, that obviously freed up a little bit of power too. Hold on, we need to go full race car. Turn the AC off. All right, let's give it a little. Oh, that's way more powerful. Wow.
That feels good.
Wow.
Sounds good.
This is good. This is good. This is
perfect because it's not an obnoxious drone the whole time.
Oh yeah.
It's just some fun pops and crackles just when you want them.
Yeah, if you're low in the RPM, you don't hear them. Like that's still above 3. Let's try like 2,500. Yeah, you don't hear them.
Nothing.
So if you're driving normally,
nothing.
no cracks, no nothing, nice and quiet.
We done good. Project A did good with their dialing it in and their research and getting it right.
Woo! That rear end, those carbon. Whoa! All right, that sounds good. That sounds good. Oh yeah! All right, let's see that 1-2 shift. Oh my goodness! Those are so loud. From the inside, there's so much sound deadening that you really can't pick up on it too much. Oh snap! I never thought I'd have this much fun with a simple V6 NA tune. Wow, okay. All right, give your opinion. What do you think?
That has got to be one of the best, cheapest, simple mods you can do to a Mercedes.
Oh, there's a big boy, a little Challenger 850. Subscribe to our aviation channel if you want to watch us fly too. Oh, we love planes. Yeah, so not only do we get a little bump in power, we get those pops and crackles. Now we're off to Kaizen Collision. We're gonna bring the M3 as well. We were gonna take the Maserati, but actually one of the drive belts is getting like caught up on the bearing or something, so we don't want to damage anything, so we'll bring it another day. So today we get the M3. What do you guys think? If you guys crush the next free car giveaway, we may consider giving away our M3 next. I think that would be a pretty cool giveaway car. You know, 6-speed manual, V8, what's not to love, you know?
Your demons drag me close to hell. I can feel that.
Hello, Kaizen Collision. No way, you guys get a little sneak preview of the R8 update as well. Here it is at Kaizen. Look at it all torn apart. They got the quarter panel off. They're unbending that, painting the bumper that we got. Boy, stuff is happening. This is awesome. Dropping off the C300 with Kaizen Collision. As you guys know, they are taking care of our, oh boy, a lot of our cars, which is a good and a bad thing. It's a bad thing that all of our cars are getting damaged, but it's a good thing that they're in good hands. 458, somebody backed into that, caused many thousands of dollars worth of damage. The blue Tesla, this car now, and then the Maserati later.
The Audi R8.
We're a frequent customer. Oh yeah, let's show them the R8 in a second. So basically what they're gonna do, when the other car rolled into this car in the collision, obviously caused a little bit of damage, but nothing too serious. So they'll be able to respray the front bumper, and then the rear bumper got hit a little bit too, so some chips there. So very little damage, but we just want it perfect for the next owner who gets it for the giveaway. On for the R8, let's show you that real quick. Everyone's been wanting an R8 update, and the update is one piece. Yes, one piece is holding up this entire project. What is that?
Rear reinforcement bumper crash bar.
We don't even know where it is. We ordered it 4 months ago. Most likely it's waiting to come to the US on a, you know, a freight like flight. But since no flights are coming in from Europe, obviously it's probably just sitting in Germany waiting somewhere. So that's not fun and we can't track it. The crash bar attaches to the mounts here, there and there, and then obviously protects the whole rear end. And you need that piece to be able to put the bumper on and to be able to finish the car. So while we're waiting on that, we took it over to Kaizen so that they could work on the quarter, which got slightly dented in. So they're gonna pull that back, fix a couple dents, respray it, and make it look great. But I've never seen an R8 without the quarter. It's so naked. Look at that. Wow, so there's gas tank tucked down there. What's this, ECU? Hey, while we're here, Project A. You guys know how to tune V10 R8s? So stay tuned, there's your little update. Hopping in this car now because Christian and I, we have to go check up on one of the new cars we picked up. Remember that car that we bought in Texas and Christian picked it up on the way home from the Virginia road trip?
Big milestone already happening over at the shop.
Some major work is going down. We're talking, all right, let's let them in on a little bit. Let's just say later today, we're handing over a check, a 5-figure check, because we are buying an entire engine. The thing we bought needs an engine, I guess we'll say, and it's not a cheap engine because it is not a cheap car, because it's Italian and exotic and it's really cool. So stay tuned for that. So lots going down on the channel. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little upload. I know it was hectic all over the place, but that new tune on the C300 is cracking, literally. And now with that Kaizen, it's in good hands and it is going to be cosmetically perfect in, I don't know, a week or two. They'll be done with it, maybe sooner, I don't know.
So that is coming up. Get a head start. Follow Kaizen Collision on Instagram because they are going to be one of our good friends that you need to follow to be entered to win the C300.
They're posting great content, and who doesn't like to see a good transformation from crash to pristine? So,
and see the progress that they're making on your future car.
Go check them out, give them a follow, and you'll be one step closer to this giveaway when it goes live.
Matter of weeks.
Yes, like probably 2 weeks. Stay tuned, somebody's gonna be winning a free car. Thank you guys so much for watching. Signing off from Scottsdale.
It feels right.